morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, and the name of this chapter is Smart Charts. Now, you must have heard about smart boys, smart girls, smart people. Here, the charts are smart. Now, children, when there is a lot of data which has been collected, if you put that data in the form of a chart, and just by looking at the chart, you come to know a lot about the data. So those charts are called smart charts. For example, there is a girl who has collected information from all her classmates. She wanted to find out who liked which animal. So some children like dogs, some children like cats, some children like squirrels, some of them like cows, and so on. So just by looking at the smart chart, you will be able to make out which animal is the most favorite amongst the children and which animal is the least favorite amongst the children. So we are going to study so many things like this in this chapter. So let us first start with this example. This is from the page number 159 of our NCERT book. So come, let us start doing it. Smart charts. Chee chee, meow meow. Yamini did a project, Animals and Birds. She asked each child of her class about one favorite pet animal. She used tally marks to record each answer. For example, if someone said cat, she put one line in front of cats. When someone said cat again, so she put two lines, means two cats, and this means 5 cats. In all, 24 children said cat was their favorite animal. Help Yamini complete the table. Okay, children, tally marks. Now I will tell you first about these tally marks. Now, if one thing is there, so we draw a line like this. Next time when the same thing comes, we draw a line like this. It means presently two things are there. Next time when that same thing comes, we draw a line like this. This means three things. Next time when the thing comes, we draw a line like this. This means four things. And next time when the same thing comes, we draw a line like this. And this means 5 things. Okay, let us see this table. Before we start the table, this means 1, this means 2, this means 3, this means 4, and this means 5. Okay, now how many children said that cat was their favorite animal? 5 children. Then these are another 5 children, another 5 children, another 5 children, and these are 4 children. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 5 is 15. Plus 5 is 20. Plus 4 is 24. Now we have to find out how many children liked dogs. Okay, see this. This is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And this is 2. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 plus 2. So 32 children liked dogs. Now rabbits. Rabbits was liked by 5 plus 5. Only 10 children liked rabbit. Cows. 5, 5, 5, 5 and again 2. So that makes 22. So 22 children liked cows as their pet animals. Now parrots. How many people like parrots? 5 and 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 children liked parrots. Now goats. How many children liked goats? Now 5, 5, 5 and 5. So 5 fours are 20. So 20 children liked goats. Squirrel. Oh, some children liked squirrel also. How many children liked squirrel? 5, 5 and 5. 5 threes are is 15. 15 children liked squirrel. So now children, if we want to find out how many children did she ask about their favorite animals, then what we should do? We will add all these numbers. If we will add all these numbers, we will come to know that these many people she asked about their favorite animals. Okay, let us start adding. Now 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. 16 and 4, 20 and 1, 21. So 1 here and 2 carry over. Now we will add this. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12 and 1 13. So 1 and 3 will be here. So children, she asked 131 people about their favorite animal. Okay, let us read this. Look at the tally marks and write the number for each animal in the table. How many children in all did Yamini talk to? Children, the first portion of the question we have already done. Now, how many children in all did Yamini talk to? That too we have already added. So we know that Yamini talked to 131 children. Okay, now this question, which is the most favorite pet animal in this table? Now children, just by looking at these numbers, we can make out that dogs are the most favorite pet animal in this table. So we will write here dogs. Okay. Now this question, which pet will you like to have? Oh, this will be different for different people. So you may like to have one pet while I may like to have another one. Okay, so let me think what I would like to have. You know what? If I have my way, I would love to have a cow as a pet. You know why I would love to have a cow? Because cows give us milk. I will be able to have so much of milk. What will you name it? What will I name it? I think I will name it Ganga. Okay, which other animals can be kept at home? Discuss. So children, this you can discuss according to the size of your house. Some other animals can also be kept at home. For example, we can have hens also at home. We can have ducks also at home. So it depends upon the size of our house, what all animals we can keep as pets. So children, these type of charts are called smart charts. You must have heard only from different people that that boy is smart, this girl is smart. So you must be wondering, why are they called smart charts? Children, these are called smart charts because we just have to look at them, and just by a glance we are able to get so much information. Okay, children, that's all for today. Today was the introduction. We will have more videos and I will teach you more about smart charts. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.